True Jamaican Experience. Welcome back, my viewers. Yeah, you're here with David. We're in the crossroad area of Kingston. Yeah, man. At Chrome Motors and Repairs, we are start out the machine. So you don't know, because we're doing a little feature, you know what's going on, you know. Remember to continue to follow the movements, like, subscribe and share. Big up on yourself every time. Respect. Them have Flow, which is a mobile network for cell phones and landline and cable. And we have all different kind of vehicle in the space. Yeah, man. So you can check it out and see what's going on, you know. Yeah, man. Crown Motors, the real spot. Man, never do them work, you know. See what one. Yeah. So remember to tune in, you know. Yeah, man. Don't know me have a little YouTube channel, no brother. Name True Jamaican Experience. Yeah. But you don't know, you have to start from somewhere, right, Fire? Yeah. Yes, sir. So this is which part the man them deal with the tires, all of the replacement of the tires, aligning of the tires, and you know, balancing and these things. Yeah, man, with the new tires, damaged tires, and other things. So anyway you go into the world, you ever see a machine like this. What them call a machine, brother? What them call a one? Good. So you see, if you change your tires, my people, and you don't align and balance it, you could have go kill yourself on the road. Because you now get a smooth run on the road, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Could have fling you away. So it don't make sense buy tires, put on car, and you not align and balance it. That's a no-no. You can see, you can learn that from True Jamaican Experience, alright? Yeah. Straight, my brother. What's the man name?
Yeah, man, Rasta, you don't know.
Big up yourself, you know. Every time.
Yeah,
man.
I'm going to Rasta police there, no constable. I'm last time for real, no constable.
You see that, man?
Yeah, man.
You know, so that is an English name.
Yeah? Me always tell people
yeah, man.
The Queen use my name.
An English name, brother.
Police them.
Yeah, man. So right now you go to embassy, them just say, come through, Mr. Constable.
Come through, Mr. Constable.
Yeah. All of your family them there over so.
True, man.
So that one you know would have be the, what kind of machine is? Oh, it take off the tire itself. Tire machine, my people. So don't forget with the broken on the car, want to go buy a car brand new and you don't know about car. The greatest thing is you have to maintain your car when you have it so that it lasts long. You have to service the car when it's for service, change the oil, the brakes, this pad, and any other problem with it. Don't hesitate with it, because when you're up on the road, it will go save you. You know, make sure the brake system will work properly and all of these things. Very important. Yeah, man. Very important, my people. So the work is being done, you know. Thank you for tuning in True Jamaican Experience with your host, David. Yeah, man. You might put ear right now. Add ear to it. And then you might use tire gauge to make sure so the ear pressure is just right. So what the ear pressure you use for this? 30?
32.
32, because of the size.
Yeah.
29 me using my 13-inch tire, you know. Yeah, so two of them are 15 and 32, my people. 32 PSI, 32 pounds of ear pressure. So remember, be safe on the road and make sure you do the necessaries and do the right thing, alright? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Yeah, man. Up.